York City's Washington Square Park. We're doing a taste test. We have 3 different smoothies, all made with the same ingredients, but made with different blenders. We have the Vitamix, the Oda Kitchen blender, and the Blend Tech. The ingredients are strawberry, kiwi, ice, and a little bit of water. We just want to see which one people think is best. Let's go. Excuse me, sir. Hi. We have 3 smoothies here. Do you want to do a taste test?
Hi, how you doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good. What you got in those
We're
cups?
doing a taste test. So it's all the same ingredients, strawberry, kiwi, ice, and water.
So just taste it?
Yeah, we just want to see which one you think is best.
Oh, that's nice.
Huh?
Got the white one. Perfect for this hot day, too.
Yeah. Really? Okay, awesome. Thank you. That was the Oda Kitchen blender.
That one.
Yeah?
That one, yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
They taste the same, but I think I like the white one better.
Really? And what was it about it?
No, just the texture.
I like this one.
Yeah?
Yeah. What did you put in this one?
My iPhone.
I like the white one. Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Great.
They're all pretty good.
Yeah?
Well, I know I didn't like these 2.
And why not?
Well, they had a lot of seeds in them.
Oh really? Okay, how about that one?
No, that one's good. It didn't have any seeds at all.
Which one do I
Are we
like?
just supposed to say which we like the best?
Yeah.
I like the middle one the best.
This one. Awesome. Cool. That was made with the Oda Kitchen blender.
Nice. I think I need to get me one of those.
Nice. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. That was fun.
There you have it. The Oda Kitchen blender is the fan favorite. Now you take the taste test.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.